Good morning, my beautiful people out here on YouTube. This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming with another video for you guys today. This is something that can help you out, be very beneficial to you guys, especially during this slow season. Matter of fact, it'll help you out in any season if you're out here doing Uber and or Lyft, guys. And that is the art of the 2.3, what I call a 2.3 miles till your trip drop off, to go ahead and turn on the other app so you can stack trips, guys. That's what I'm talking about. What am I saying here, guys? Let's say, for instance, you're in the process of you already picked up your rider, and let's say you're on the Uber platform, right? And so you're taking this person, let's say, on a 10-mile drive to their destination. Well, when you get 2.3 miles to the point where you're about to drop them off, go turn your Lyft app on. Why? What happens? That allows you to register on Lyft, or if you're doing the other way around, on Uber. So while you're on the way to drop that person off that you currently have riding with you, there's a possibility that you can receive a trip on Lyft before you even drop that person off. Then that way you can drop that person off, and instead of sitting and waiting for you to receive your next trip, you could be leaving there and going directly to pick your next person up. What does that do for you? Well, it actually saves you time. And it makes you more money, especially if you're doing this on a part-time basis and you have a certain amount of hours that you're trying to do this in. Because the whole idea of this game, guys, is you want to maximize your profits in small amounts of time, guys. So the power of the 2.3 miles is beautiful. Stacking trips, that's what you want to be doing out there, guys, because there's nothing worse than you pick somebody up, you drop them off, and now you're turning the other app on and you're sitting there waiting for somebody else to come in. That sucks. That means you're not making any money. You're not making money. You're not being productive. So what you want to do, like I said, is you want to go ahead and be able to turn that app on, so as soon as you drop that person off, bam, you on the way going to pick somebody up. And when you drop that person off, bam, you on the way going to pick somebody else up. Now, do it always happen like that? No, because I mean, it just might not be a high demand at the time for rides. But in a lot of cases, yeah, it does happen just like that, because usually when you have this person requesting, there's a lot more people requesting. It kind of works like that, you know. It's real busy, then it's really slow. It's real busy, then it's really slow. So what you want to do is you want to maximize on the real busy times by being able to make yourself available for as many trips as possible. Now, understand me. What you don't want to do when doing this practice is cherry picking. Like, okay, let's say, for instance, you got a trip in on Lyft, and then you get a trip that come in on Uber, and just because the trip on Uber looks sexier, but you just accepted this trip on Lyft and you go and cancel. That's how you can possibly get deactivated, by accepting rides and then canceling the ride, guys. So you don't want to do that. So what you do want to do is make sure that you're available, so you're not sitting and waiting for the next request to come in, by allowing yourself to be available within that 2.3 miles. And some people say, well, Desmond, what if you get a request in as soon as you turn it on? Look, most people, for the most part, they're not in a serious rush. And actually, when they request, they're still doing stuff around their house, because they're in the belief that it's going to take longer anyway. So that little time that they take you to drive, let's say that 1.9 miles or that 1 mile to drop your other rider off, that gives them time there. Very rarely do you run into a person that's just going to be a complete jerk and calling you, where you at, where you at, where you at, where you at. That's not going to happen for most part. So you drop that person off, and what you don't do is lollygag around. Once you drop that person, you drop that person off and you immediately go to pick that next person up. Then that way you're always making money. You're always moving. You're not sitting idling and not making money, guys. That's how you do it, especially in the slow seasons, like such as in January, February. I'm making this video in February, but guys, even when it's in busy seasons, you still, if you want to maximize your profits and you do this on a part-time basis, learn the power of the 2.3 miles. Like I said, once again, for those who can't understand it, when you get 2.3 miles en route to your destination for your current rider, go ahead and turn the other app on, because there's a very big chance that you can get another ride before you even drop that person off, and you're not sitting idling, guys. You're on to the next trip, on to the next trip, on to the next trip. And meanwhile, instead of you making 10, 12, $15 an hour, you could be possibly making $20, $25 an hour, you know, out driving or whatever else, which is a big difference, guys. I'm just giving you a little secret to the sauce. And anyhow, guys, I hope this video helps you out with being successful with your rideshare experience. And also, guys, if this is your first time looking at rideshare and you've never done Uber or Lyft before and you want to get started, all you have to do is go to the links right below this video, and you can actually get started by clicking on the link, whether you want to do Uber or Lyft, or if you want to do both of them. Both links will be right down there in the description on this video, guys, so you can get started with Uber and Lyft and possibly get you a nice little bonus after you've driven so many times. Also, if you are a current Uber and Lyft driver and you went directly to the company, you can also go to those same links below this video in the description and click on those. And what do you know? They may go retroactive and give you the bonus anyway, guys. There's nothing wrong with trying to see if it happens. Anyhow, like I said, this is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, giving you some tips and tricks to the trade to help you make more money while you're out there doing Uber and Lyft. I gotta go. I got other things to do. I got some charts I need to look at because I day trade full time, but I want to give you this message, guys. I'm out. Peace. Wait, I can't go just yet. If you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button on this channel. Also, click on the bell in the bottom right corner of this video so you can get notifications right to your inbox on your email whenever I put out new content, guys. Like I said, Desmond, Rideshare Whisperer, on my channel, which is in the life and times of Desmond. I'm out.